positive, 3 is another positive, and 9 is a positive. So, although that's not great math to do, in the FOIL method, you actually add these all together. Now, sometimes it will be subtraction, and that's when these numbers are negative. But for me, that helps me remember. So now what do I do? Is this done? No, you guys just took a quiz on it. Let's add our like terms. What are our like terms? 3a and 3a. So a squared had nobody. 3a is 6a, good, plus 9. So, are there any questions on that one? Feeling good about that? I feel like most of them were similar to that. So let's go, probably skip down to G. So for G, just keep it over here. X plus 7, X minus 5. Okay, this time I'm not going to write out FOIL, but luckily we have the process here. So first is x times x, which is x squared, and then outer x5. Remember, we're adding between them, so 5x. Oh, it is a negative 5. Great catch there. Because it's x times negative 5, remember the negative, that's also negative 5x. So we could have wrote plus a negative 5x, but we all know that's just minus. So 7 times x, someone said it's 7x, positive 7x, and then 7 times negative 5, which would be negative 35. Okay? Am I in standard form? Am I done?
No, it's add like terms.
Add like terms again. We're starting to catch a trend where we're adding these middle like terms. So x squared plus 2x minus 35. Check my math to make sure I did that right. Are there any questions on that one? Okay, that's G, and let's do H. Okay, the FOIL method again. We have two binomials multiplied together. So, first, b squared, b times b. Next, what's my next step in the FOIL? It's what? The outer, which is b times negative 9. And what's that? Negative 9b. Okay, now what? What's the next step? So the inner, which is 3 and b. So that gives me plus 3b. And then the last one, 3 and negative 9, which gives me negative 27. Okay, so what does that leave me with? I see b squared is by itself. Looks like I'm going to add these middle terms again. Negative 5b, negative 6b, I think negative 6, negative 6b, minus 27. In standard form?
No.
Looks good. Were there any other problems you wanted to go over? For the slope, I trust that we remember that. And for the year, 1861 is what I got. Okay, so let's get out some paper for notes. We'll be going over some special cases.